In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create redirects in WordPress. Redirects send the browser from one location to a new one by telling the user's browser that the page has been moved. They are very easy to create by using the simple 301 Redirects plugin in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type simple 301 Redirects and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. Now, go to Settings and click on 301 Redirects. Here, you can create redirects very easily. Just enter the URL you want to redirect from here, and enter the URL you want to redirect to here. And then click on Save Changes. And just like that, the redirect is created. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.